Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to fix a very common error, which is Windows Update error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you've been trying to update your Windows and you're getting 0x sort of errors, you have tried so many things and you're not able to update your Windows, this tutorial is for you. So here we are going to do very simple yet very effective steps, and please make sure that you do all these steps in a sequence wise, because when we do these steps in a sequence wise, it becomes more effective. So the very first step is to search in the search icon Explorer, and you will find File Explorer, and I'll just maximize it. And at the left hand side where we have this PC, so please click on that, and then we need to go to this C drive. Now here in C drive we need to go to this Windows folder, and here in Windows you need to scroll down and you will find a folder named Software Distribution. So I have found it, Software Distribution. You just need to double click here and delete everything from here, because this is a whenever we update Windows, it leaves some chunks here and you no longer require these once your system is updated. So from here you can press Ctrl A and you can press Shift Delete. So it says it's going to delete, and I have successfully removed everything from Software Distribution. And once this is done, close this window. Now the second step is to click on the search icon again and type troubleshoot. You might have done it, but we have to do it in a sequence wise. So here the best match is troubleshoot settings, and I'll click on that. And here we have find other troubleshooters. I'll click on that. And you will find the most frequent option, Windows Update, and we need to click on next to it. Just click on Run. It will start detecting the problems if you have any Windows Update issues. This might take some time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, or more than that, depends on your computer. This will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both, so you don't have to worry about it. Once this is done, you need to restart the computer, right? So once this is done, once you come back, click on the search icon and type CMD, and you will find the best match command prompt. And here we need to click on Run as Administrator. Please make sure you do not click on Open, you click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. And here we need to type SFC /scan now. So this is a system file checker tool provided by Microsoft. This actually scans the whole computer, and if there is a issue with the Windows, if there is a bug, if there is a problem, this will fix the problem. It is a very good step to fix. Very handy thing to do so. So I have typed it, you can note it down, SFC /scan now, and hit enter. This will begin the system scan, and this procedure might take 2 to 5 minutes or more than that, depends on your computer. Once this is done, if there is a bug, there is a problem in Windows operating system, this will be fixed, and then you need to restart the computer. Now the final step which we need to follow is to click on the start icon and then just click on Run, and here you need to type services.msc. Once you have typed it, click on OK, and a new window will appear like this, and you need to scroll down at the bottom where you have Windows Update. You can press W and then you can look for Windows Update. You will find it at the bottom. I have found it. So here I have Windows Update. You just need to double click on that, and please make sure it is started. I can see the start is grayed out because it is already running. So if in your case, if it's not running, please start it and it should be grayed out. And startup type should be automatic or delete start. It should not be manual, it should not be disabled. So it should be any of these: automatic, delete start, or automatic. Once this is done, you can click on OK, and you can do a right click and you can restart as well. So restarting the service is a good practice, and you have also made this service automatic. So once this is done, here you need to go to this background intelligence transfer service. See if it's manual or automatic. You just need to do a right click and you can start it and make it automatic as well. So these are the only steps which you need to follow, and then you need to type Windows Update and you need to go to this Windows Update settings and try to update your Windows, and you will be able to install all the latest updates of your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you will be able to update your Windows. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment that which step has worked for you, and also let me know whether it is beneficial for you or not. Have you got benefited or not? Please let me know, because these things really motivates me to make more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.